In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to watch 360 videos on Steam VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to load up VR 360 videos on Steam VR, regardless of the headset that you have. Something that I need to make very clear is that as of today, there are no dedicated applications like a YouTube VR app, Netflix VR app, and so on, but you can still load media into Steam VR and watch it in virtual reality on 360. So to do this, you can open up Steam VR and click on these three lines at the top left corner of the options. Now you will be able to find Media Player. So choose Media Player and now load the VR 360 video that you want to watch. You will need to have it downloaded. So sadly, if the video is currently uploaded on YouTube, for example, you cannot simply import the link to get it to work. You must have the video downloaded on your PC and you load it in. Now, on the format, all that you have to do is choose 360. Any video will allow you to change the view to 360. So by choosing this option, it is going to surround you in the VR world. You can change the layout if you prefer, but as long as you select 360 here, you will be good to go. You can also use other formats. So the standard one, which is screen, is going to be a fixed screen relative to you. You will have 180, then 360, which I believe is what most people want, and then fisheye. So choose any of these options. As long as you select 360 on the format and you load a video in through the media player, it is going to be watchable using Steam VR. It is unfortunate that you cannot import links from YouTube and other services. However, it is still extremely simple to use the media player feature to watch 360 videos on Steam VR. I hope I was able to help you on how to watch 360 videos in Steam VR. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.